So I would like to talk with all of you about GitHub. I don't know if you've been using GitHub in your other classes at RVCC or any other form of source control, but this is an absolutely critical developer skill, and it is, maybe not GitHub itself, but source control management is a critical skill, and Git as a source control management protocol and GitHub as a cloud service for storing projects that have been put under source control is certainly something that you want to get accustomed to, because it is the way professional software gets developed, which is teams of developers contributing to a common code base instead of one developer doing everything on their own personal system and maintaining multiple copies of folders. So I'm going to go to GitHub Classroom, and I'm already logged in. GitHub Classroom is a tool for professors that use GitHub to help manage the student interaction, and it is a much welcome addition to my tool set. I used to have to do this manually with scripts that I wrote myself. And so you can see that there is a GitHub Classroom here for GDEV242 Fall 20. The classroom name, GDEV242 Fall 20 class. If I click on that class, you'll see that there are a number of students. And there you are. And while some of you might have GitHub accounts, they are not yet linked to this classroom. Now, I am also included as one of these students, and I'm going to link the account RVCC sample student, which is a GitHub account I have for this purpose, to show you how to go ahead and get connected to the classroom. Okay, so I'm in a different web browser now, just so you can see over here. There is my Chrome, there is the GitHub Classroom. I created a small demo assignment called Demo Assignment, just to show you what's going to happen the first time when you click on a link. Now, GitHub Classroom gives me this link. This will be the link that will appear at the top of your assignments for each module that we do. So what I'm doing is pasting the link in, but you will just have a link that you can click on that is in the assignment description. So here we go. And so here I am inside of Safari. I'm going to paste this link here. And so when you follow the link, it's going to take you to your GitHub login. And the first time you get this, if you've never created a GitHub account before, you can go down and create your account. A number of my students I know recognize from like the Game Engines class already have a GitHub account. You don't need to create a new one, although you can if you want to. I'm going to enter in my account name and my GitHub password, and I will sign in, being redirected to the authorized application is because I'm going to GitHub Classroom. Now, this is how you assign your GitHub account and attach it to your your name inside of GitHub Classroom. So I'm going to scroll down, and I find William Crosbie. And are you sure you want to select the identifier William Crosbie? So it will ask you, please don't take someone else's name. It just creates a lot of headache for me and will not reflect well on you. So I'm going to assign that. And now I am in the process where I am ready to accept that demo assignment. Once I accept the assignment, you'll be granted access to the repository. And I accept the assignment, and it creates the repository for me and imports the starter code for me. And once that is done, then it takes me to a page where I can see the link to my repository. Now, for classwork, the repository exists not in your individual account, but in the class account with the name of the assignment, and then dash, and then your GitHub username. So that is what we're doing. And if you have questions, please contact me via email. We can set up a Zoom session. I can walk you through that. It is imperative that you work through GitHub for this course, and so this is an incredibly important thing for you to get accomplished soon.